These videos are pumping up millions of views on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. They are going viral, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I created these viral videos from the ASMR videos to the animal caught on camera video and even this one where you have fruits eating themselves. These videos are weird, they are funny, and they're also easy to create. I'll show you how you can make them yourself. My name is Charles. Let's go. So we are going to start with this one, which is very funny. In fact, the first time I saw this video here, I actually thought it was real, but it was created using Google VEO 3. It's the animal caught on camera video. Now, to do this, you need to get access to VEO 3. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get VEO 3 for free for 15 months. Let me show you. So you're going to go to Google and search for Gemini VEO 3. And then you click on this link here, this Google DeepMind, and then click try in Gemini. And then if you scroll down, you see that if you come through this way, you're just getting 1 month free. But do this instead. And then here it says college students get a free pro plan. So we'll click on this, learn more. And then here you can see pro plan free of charge for students, free for 1 year. So you get unlimited chats, unlimited image upload, generation, VEO 3, and all of that. So what we're going to do is to click on get offer. And you can see it's free for 1 year. So just in case the student free plan doesn't work for you, just come back here and try out the free 1 month. Just enjoy it for 1 month. So what we're going to do is to start a new project, and then you enter your prompt here. Now we are going to be using text to video and frames to video, depending on the method that I'll be showing you. But come down here on these settings, ensure that it's in VEO 3 fast. But you can change the VEO 3 quality, but I feel VEO 3 fast is better, so just use VEO 3 fast for this. All right, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, because you're missing out on a lot. There are lots of helpful videos here. Like, share, and drop a comment. All right, the next thing we're going to do is to enter this prompt. Now, we are going to be using this prompt as a template to generate different variations of this type of caught on camera video. So don't worry, I'm going to put this prompt in my Telegram channel. If you're not part of my Telegram channel, just join it so you can get all the prompts I'll be using in this video. So we are going to use this prompt first, and then I'll show you how to use it to get different variations, different videos, right? So what we're going to be doing first is to use this prompt. If you notice, the prompt says night vision CCTV footage on a quiet house porch at so time. A cat sleeps peacefully on the ground near some flower pots. Then a tiger walks in from the right, gently sniffs the cat to wake it up. The cat wakes, and they both look at the camera, walk closer side by side, and then raise up one paw each to give a thumbs up. Now, why this video works is people are not really sure if this is real or fake, right? Because it's gonna look like a CCTV footage. It's not going to look like the normal AI generated video, right? So when a CCTV footage is playing where you see a tiger and then a cat, people will be like, okay, what's going to happen? People are going to be curious to see what happens. And then they'll be surprised to see a cat and a tiger coming together and then walking to the camera, like they know the camera is there, and then give a reaction. So we are going to send this, right? This usually works. We are going to send this. And boom, we have this video right here. Let's watch this video. Now, to create another variation of that video, what we're going to do is to paste the prompt, and then you can now say rewrite to be a cat and lion. Then the lion gives the middle finger, and then you put this here, bring this down, and this is the prompt, and then this is the prompt template. So it's going to change this prompt here, so that's going to be a cat and a lion, and then the lion will give the middle finger at the end. So you're going to send this prompt. And boom, we have this prompt here. Now we are going to copy this prompt and go back to VEO 3 and then paste the prompt and send it. And boom, we have the video ready. Let's watch it. This doesn't look like AI. It looks very real. So that's how you create the animal caught on camera video. You can change the scene, change the animals, just make it look engaging. Now, before we continue, I just started my school creative network where I'll be teaching in detail, answering your questions on a live call, guiding you and giving you tasks to do so you learn faster. It is a creative community where members can join a group call, work on a project together, discuss, and of course, get direct coaching from me. Here, I'll be giving private group mentorship to all members around AI video creation, content creation, starting and growing your YouTube channel, building AI agents and automation, and of course, creating AI adverts, top tier AI adverts for high-end brands. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to join. We're already at 80 plus members at the time of recording this video, and the current price right now is $10 per month. $10 lifetime flat rate. Once it gets to 100 members, people joining after that will pay a lifetime flat rate of $20 per month. Then, if it gets to 200 members, people joining after that will pay $50 per month. So check now and join quickly before it gets to $50. The link is in the description of this video. Now, this next type of viral video has been raking millions of views for creators. And this type is another easy video to make. So we are going to create this one where you have fruits eating themselves. Weird, right? There are two methods to do this. So the first method is to paste this prompt in VEO3. Paste the prompt that you have. This prompt says a cute fantasy kiwi baby creature sits on a wooden surface designed to look like a round baby with fuzzy brown kiwi skin. Now I'm going to leave this prompt in my Telegram channel, so I'm not going to read it all. So you're just going to enter your prompt to generate that video and then send it, and boom, it generates the video. Let's play it. This looks weird. Now, this first method did not get the kiwi character properly. So what I'm going to do is to use the second method where I'll have to generate the image. So I'm going to go to Nano Banana, enter this prompt and run it. Boom. So we just use the same prompt we use in VEO3, but we use it to generate this image right here. You can see the image. Now we're going to turn this image to a video. We're going to go back to VEO3 and then we are going to paste that same prompt, right? That same prompt that is in generating the image, and then select frames to video, select this plus sign here, and then select the kiwi. Selected the kiwi, and then we send this, and boom, we have this video here. Now, for me, this video looks much better. Let me play it. All right, the video looks good. Now we are going to try this for strawberry. So go to Nano Banana and enter this prompt and then send it. Then it's going to give us this image right here. So you can just download the image and then we'll take this image back to VEO3. Then on frames to video, we upload the image and enter this prompt here. The prompt says a human hand gently enters the frame holding a small slice of strawberry on a spoon. The strawberry baby opens its mouth and the spoon is brought close, then takes a bite and then continues chewing. Now, what we are going to do is send this and boom, the AI has generated the video. Let's play it. Yep, you can see it is very easy to create. This next one have been trending for months and it's still trending because of how satisfying it is to watch. And you just need one prompt. One prompt to create this video. In fact, this channel here has dedicated most of their videos to creating this type of videos, which is raking in millions of views. You can see 9.2 million views, 7.1 million views, 32 million views, and all that. And there are other channels that are using this type of content to rake in millions of views, get massive views and grow their channel. Now, to create this, we are just going to take a prompt as a template and then twist it with ChatGPT, and that's all. So the first thing we're going to be doing is a glass cone, and we're going to be cutting the glass cone. So we enter this prompt: ultra realistic glass sculpture of a cone on a cup made entirely of transparent golden yellow glass. Each kernel is rounded, glossy, and blah 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 blah. And this part, which is important, A sharp knife is gently placed on the top of the glass cone with two human fingers holding the cone and slicing it into two. The cone separates, showing creamy butter gushing out. This is a twist. Now let's send this, and boom, we have our corn ASMR video ready. Let's play it. You can see how easy that video is to create. Now we are going to try this with another fruit. So just like the previous one, you can just take that prompt, throw it to ChatGPT and say, rewrite this for watermelon. Throw it again and say, rewrite this for banana, rewrite this for green pepper, rewrite this for red pepper, and all that. So this time around, we're going to be doing for red bell pepper. So we're going to say ultra realistic red glass bell pepper sculpture resting on wooden surface. The pepper is made of deep ruby red transparent glass, blah, blah, blah. And then we say two human fingers holding and slicing it into two. The pepper separates, showing red thick liquid gush out. All right, let's send this, and boom, we have this video right here. Let's play it. Beautiful. These type of videos are very easy to create. I'll leave the prompts I use in this tutorial on my Telegram group. The link to join my Telegram group is in the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. You're missing out. There are lots of helpful videos here. So subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Watch this video next. This one, I created it for you.